We kind of have to look at your IPs and MPs. Again, thinking about that being extension, so that's flexion, all right? So that's going to be what we do to stretch the flexors. So longest, again, I'm going to stabilize their hand, but I'm just pulling back, right? Basically extending at the IP, all right, and the MCP. Brevis, I'm just going to let this one relax. Now, there's a little bit of mistake here, I would say, in the last page down, the last sentence, it says flex the IP joint. You don't really flex the IP joint, you just let it relax, and it can go all the way up to 80 degrees. But remember, when we're doing the brevis, so I'm just pushing backwards, but I'm just letting this be free. It doesn't matter where it's at. We just don't want to be on the tip, all right? We're kind of like that. Understand the difference between brevis and longest? It's just, do I include the IP or do I not include the IP, all right? The last one is thumb adduction. So the adductor pollicis basically is just, can I get my thumb away from me like that? So it is literally bringing my thumb out, all right? And it basically is saying, can I get that to approximately a 70-degree angle? Obviously 90 degrees would be, down a little bit further than that, but can I get a 70-degree angle with a pull out there, all right? That's the adductor. Adductor pollicis. Adductor would bring it together. We're trying to see how long it is. That's important because that's how we're going to grip things. We need to be able to get out around something to do like a spherical type of grip. If our fingers are like this, right? If we have short adductor pollicis, that's going to be a problem. I can't get around something to grab, right? So that's why a length test of an adductor pollicis is pretty important. So let's length test those things. Extensor pollicis longus, again, EPL, EPD, FPL, FPD.
Well, I'm glad I have it right there so I can will you show the thumb extensor one again?
Thumb extensor?
Yeah.
If I'm doing the thumb extensors, it's going to be extensor pollicis longus is going to be this with ulnar deviation.
Okay.
Brevis is going to be this, leaving this empty in ulnar deviation.
Okay.